Hey everyone, I'm Madison with Old 98 Destin, coming to you live from the Crab Trap in Destin today, and I just wanted to show you my walk on the beach this morning. And if you have any questions about Destin or the area, feel free to drop them in the comments down below, and I'll do my best to answer any of them. But I did want to tell you guys about our giveaway. We are doing a 5-night giveaway at a vacation home that's Gulfront in Destin, Casa de Cielo, with 5-star properties. So if you want to enter our giveaway, you can click the link in the description and enter that, and then additional entries will be given if you follow us on Instagram, which is Old 98 Destin, and 5-star at 5-star properties. So be sure to follow us on there and enter our giveaway, and we hope to see you here soon. But I'm going to show you guys my morning walk on the beach. So it is 44 degrees here today. There's going to be a high of 64 later in the afternoon, but it's just warming up. It's still the morning. Oh, I forgot to enter the link. I will put the link in the comments down below. Sorry, I copied it and forgot to paste it. I will put the link in the comments below as soon as I can add them when I'm done filming this, and then you can just go to our Facebook page, Destin Beach Cams, and it's the pinned post. You can just enter it right there. Okay, I just commented the link down below to enter the giveaway, so be sure to click on that and enter for a chance to win a 5-night stay in Destin. There's not a lot of shells on the beach this morning. There's a few, but not very big ones. The water is still super cold, so I wouldn't recommend swimming. Oh, here's a lot of shells for people asking about the shells here today. I commented the link to enter our giveaway in the comments down below. You can also enter our giveaway. I have a pinned post on our Facebook page. If you just go to our Facebook page, you can click that link too, if for some reason the ones that I'm commenting aren't working. Bonnie, I don't really know if the butter clams come here. Susan, we commented the link down below in the comments. So look for the comment by Destin Beach Cams that has the link. I'll send it to you again. Wanda, you can't enter more than one time, but you can get additional entries by following us on Instagram, which is at Old98Destin, and then also by following 5 Star Properties on Instagram, which is at 5 Star Properties, and then if you like us on both on Facebook, that's additional entries as well. The weather on June 15th. Well, I don't know what the weather exactly would be on June 15th because the weather app doesn't go that far out. I can predict that it will probably be pretty hot and pretty humid by June. It's usually in like 90s, 80s, and really humid in June. So definitely a good day to go to the beach. Sylvia, we commented a link to our giveaway in the comments, so you can check that out and enter there, and then you can get additional entries by following us on Instagram at Old98Destin, and then by following 5 Star Properties on Instagram, which is at 5 Star Properties, and then by liking both of us on Facebook as well.